Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete a thread that you've written on Threads app. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon. After that, tap on the three dots icon beside the thread you want to delete. Then, you will see a delete option. Tap on it. And then confirm your action by selecting the delete option again. And that's it. The desired thread will be deleted. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.